Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide. Harley Davidson has captured the attention of motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide with the highly anticipated unveiling of the 2025 CVO Road Glide. This latest addition to the Custom Vehicle Operations (CVO) lineup promises to set new standards in the cruiser motorcycle segment, blending iconic Harley Davidson heritage with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled luxury. At the heart of the Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide beats a formidable Milwaukee 8131V twin engine, boasting a displacement of 2,147 cubic centimeters. This powerhouse delivers immense torque and exhilarating performance, ensuring a commanding presence on the road. The engine's refined tuning and smooth power delivery make the CVO Road Glide not just a motorcycle, but a statement of power and prestige. We are thrilled to introduce the 2025 CVO Road Glide, a motorcycle that exemplifies Harley Davidson's commitment to craftsmanship, performance, and rider experience, said Johann Zeitz, Chairman, President, and CEO of Harley Davidson. With its distinctive design, advanced technology, and unmatched luxury features, the CVO Road Glide represents the pinnacle of what Harley Davidson can achieve in the cruiser segment. Visually striking, the Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide commands attention with its bold and aerodynamic fairing, integrated LED lighting, and premium finishes that exemplify craftsmanship. The bike's ergonomic design ensures superior rider comfort during long journeys, with a plush seat, adjustable handlebars, and advanced suspension providing a smooth and controlled ride. Luxury and innovation are hallmarks of the CVO Road Glide, featuring Harley Davidson's most advanced infotainment system to date. Riders can enjoy seamless connectivity with Bluetooth-enabled devices, GPS navigation, and an intuitive touchscreen interface that delivers essential ride information and entertainment options at their fingertips. Industry experts have lauded Harley Davidson's latest offering, recognizing its potential to appeal to riders seeking a blend of performance and luxury in a cruiser motorcycle. The Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide sets a new standard in the luxury cruiser segment, combining iconic design elements with state-of-the-art technology, remarked motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its unmatched power, comfort, and attention to detail make it a standout choice for riders who demand the best. Enthusiasts worldwide eagerly await the arrival of the Harley Davidson 2025 CVO Road Glide in dealerships, eager to experience firsthand its unrivaled combination of heritage, performance, and luxury. With its distinctive style, cutting-edge features, and legendary Harley-Davidson pedigree, the CVO Road Glide is poised to redefine expectations and reaffirm Harley-Davidson's status as a leader in the cruiser motorcycle market.